Welcome to Lantang Village, nestled deep in the Himalayas. This Brazilian community sits at an elevation of 3,430 meters above sea level. Looking upward, the majestic Langtang Village dominates the skyline, its snow-capped peak reaching 7,227 meters into the clouds.
The mountains meet the sky. It's the place I call home. It's the sweet by and by, right there where the mountains meet the sky. It's more than the view, it's the way I feel, like I'm closer to something true and real, where the air is clean and the stars burn bright. That's where